One, two, three, four, check it.
Will this ever get any better? Will this ever stop killing all my joy? Maybe it'd be best if I don't stay. Oh. Every single time it's a battle, and every single thought is a step of faith. God, I hope to see the light of day. I am made for more than the world has got me for. I am made for more than this. I am made for more than my heart has got me for. I am made for more than this. Hey. I wanna trust that I got a good thing, even if I don't deserve it. It's humility, I guess, to divorce myself from the feelings of guilt, but I'm nervous. What if it all just burns, cause it seems the norm with all I'm concerned with? Take my pride and let it die. I wanna live life and feel like I'm worth it, but it doesn't seem worth it. All the hassle and stress, and I don't got anything to offer. Feel more mediocre than the rest. And is this another test to see the outpour of where this heart rests? I don't know, it's my favorite phrase, but I'm trusting the song of serenity and grace to say, I'm made for more than the world has got me for. I am made for more than this. I am made for more than my heart has got me for. I am made for more than this. With my peace, my lungs won't let me breathe, and all the broken whispers seem to stay. Incomplete, my heart is in defeat. I want to need, I want to hope and pray. I am made for more than the world has got me for. I am made for more than this. I am made for more than my heart has got me for. I am made for more than this. I am made for more than the world has got me for. I am made for more than this. I am made for more than my heart has got me for. I am made for more than this. What am I supposed to feel when I know that I am wrong? But at the same time, I'm forgiven through and through. What am I supposed to feel when the guilt is soaking in? There's your love, it's just the same, but still I knew. A civil war is taking place between my head and heart. It's taking up my arms, my tongue, and all my body parts. And will the cycle of belief in you or myself end? Don't stop giving me grace. And I sing, I won't let me get me down. Yeah, I won't let me get me down anymore. I won't let me get me down. Because the sun illuminates the dark and shines on me. Ba-da-da-da-da. Every day it feels the same. No forgiveness, am I insane? 'Cause I always defeat myself. Oh, I need you. No, I don't need you here right now. The civil war, it just won't end between my head and heart. Won't you take it? It's taking up my arms, my tongue, and all my body parts. Will the cycle of belief in you or myself end? Make it stop. Don't stop giving me grace. Get me down. I won't let me get me down. I won't let me get me down anymore. Not anymore. I won't let me get me down. Because the sun illuminates the dark and